Today I'm going to show you how to change name on Facebook. So let's begin the video. To start with, here I'm gonna click on my Facebook app. Once I logged into my account, now here I'm gonna click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. After that, here I'm gonna scroll down and go to the settings and privacy option. Here I'm gonna again click on the settings option. Then from here I'm gonna select the meta menu. Now from here I'm gonna click on the profile and then selected my profile. Now as you can see, it's giving you the option to change your name. I'm gonna click on the name option, and here you have to enter the name that you want to change. After entering my new name, I'm gonna click on the review change option at the bottom, and after that it will take you to this interface. Here you have to select any desired name. Now you have to click on the save change option, and once you click on it, now your name will be saved. So this is how you can change name on your Facebook profile.